for.
No, no.
What about what?
How is the preparation going on this?
Oh, preparations are going on very well. We've just had a meeting with the chairman and the co-chairpersons of the committee. It was a useful meeting. We are now looking forward. We are all eager, enthusiastic, and we will work as a team and speak in one voice.
NCT has
As I
given 15
said,
days deadline, sir.
please understand, we are not discussing anything except restructuring the party. For the next month or month and a half, we will only discuss restructuring of the party, revival of the party, expansion of the party's base, and enrolling new members in the party. That's all that we are discussing. I have no mandate to discuss anything else. If you have a mandate, you can discuss it.
15 days, sir, they are given actually.
I've answered your question. My mandate is only now to discuss restructuring of the party, revival of the party, and reconstituting the block committees and enrolling members. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, defector will be taken back, sir.
I'm not out of your mind if you keep on asking the same question. I've answered questions. No, not necessary. Come, let's go. What? What?
Just item. कैसे देख रहे हैं कि अभी मोदी का गवर्नमेंट अभी
I don't understand what you're saying.
हेलो सर हाय सर
Wow.